A charge under Section 100 of the Transfer of Property Act, 1882, is defined as an interest created on immovable property to secure the payment of a debt. It functions similarly to a simple mortgage, although it is distinct from a mortgage in specific ways. What are the conditions for creating a charge under Section 100? A charge is created under Section 100 when immovable property is used as security for the payment of money to another party. The transaction is not considered a mortgage. The other party is given a charge on the property as a result. 3 essentials for a valid charge under Section 100 of the Transfer of Property Act. A. Existence of debt. A valid charge must be created in relation to an existing debt and intention to create charge. The parties must have the intention to create a charge on the property. Finally, specific property identification. The property subject to the charge must be clearly identified, whether by description or designation. Types: FFR or fixed charge. This is a charge where specific property is identified, and the debtor cannot transfer or deal with it without the creditor's consent. And floating charge, a charge on a class of assets that can change over time, like inventory or receivables, but crystallizes into a fixed charge on default. And registration of charges. Registration is necessary for the validity and enforceability of a charge under Section 100 of the Transfer of Property Act. Difference between a charge and a mortgage under this section. Unlike a mortgage, a charge does not transfer ownership rights to the creditor but merely secures the creditor's interest in the property for debt payment. While a charge may be treated similarly to a simple mortgage, it remains a distinct legal concept. When does Section 100 not apply to a charge? Section 100 does not apply to a trustee's charge on trust property for the expenses incurred in executing the trust. A charge against property transferred to a third party who was unaware of the existing charge. Does a charge under Section 100 require registration? A charge does not require registration under the Transfer of Property Act unless it is created by an act of the parties involved. Can a charge be created on a future contingency under this section? No, a charge cannot be created on a future contingency, meaning it must be based on an existing obligation. Is a charge created on an uncertain share valid? No, a charge created on an uncertain share, such as a potential inheritance share of one of the heirs, is considered invalid under Section 100. Can a charge be divided among multiple people by apportioning liability? No, a charge cannot be split by apportioning liability among various people.